Hey everybody, Monty here. So let's get started on this week 5, October 13th, where we're actually trying to learn to use slope for distance. Now we've been doing slope for a couple weeks, this whole idea of rise over run. The numbers from rise over run. Okay? If we have those numbers, we can actually calculate the distance. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. Okay? So the first thing was I asked you during the entry task to pause and go locate point D such that we created a square. Okay? So point D, here's the square. Feel free to pause the video and alter what you did, check what you did, see how close you were to what you did. But I want to talk how I would do this problem. So we want to create a square. Okay, we want to locate point D in such a way that we create two parallel lines, and to be a square, all four sides have to be the same, but more importantly is how do we verify that we have that perpendicular, that 90-degree angle? Well, the secret to success is slope. Everything originates with slope. Well, we could sketch, right? We could start drawing some lines here, and we could draw some lines here and try to locate this point D. But if slope is the key to success, let's just do that. Let's just count down and over. Let's find the slope of this line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over 10. This is nothing more than down 4 over 10. Well, wait a minute. If that's the slope of this line, that has to be the slope of this line, and it uses point A. So can't we do the same thing? Down 4 over 10? Well, let's start out with the over, since we know where this point is. You want to do down first? Let's do it. Down 4 over 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to make this look prettier, I'm going to count up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over 10. Bingo. Now let's grab our line maker so we can make this look pretty. Okay, now we can do the same process with the other side. Okay, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 10 over 4. 10, up 10 over 4. Up 10 over 4. Noticing anything? Noticing anything? Negative 4 over 10 perpendicular becomes the opposite reciprocal perpendicular. We just did it. That's perpendicular to that. That's perpendicular to that. Now let's count it. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 4. Up 10. So this 10 over 4. So now we have parallel to parallel, congruent to congruent. Everything works, right? Let's draw that line and finish this off. Boom. Okay? Now, here's the beauty of what we just did. Okay? We just created a point such that 90 degrees it is perpendicular. Okay? We can go all the way around. 10 over 4, 10 over 4. Mark it. Parallel with arrows. Okay? Down here. Negative 4 over 10. Negative 4 over 10. Okay? That means they have the same slope. Mark it. Parallel. Parallel. Okay? Now the learning for this week is going to be distance. Okay? How do we use these 2 points, this 10 and the 4, to calculate distance? Okay? How do we use the 10 and the 4 to calculate distance? All right? So that's our learning for the week. I wanted to make sure that you all had the same data point, okay, that same point D. Okay, feel free to pause the video and make sure that your graph turns out like this: up 10 over 4, over 10 down 4, over 4 up 10, down 4 over 10. We're going to be using this relationship for distance called a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay? So let's go back to class and see if we can make that happen.